We're back!
Yes, we're back.
Interplas is the national showcase for the UK plastics industry. If you're serious about doing plastics in the UK, you've got to be here.
The show is really important because it allows new medical devices and technologies to come together in one place and share their experience.
I've been coming to the TCT show since 2007. It's been amazing to watch it grow. I consider it definitely a professional highlight of my year because it's just always great to catch up with people that you haven't seen, meet new people, find out what's going on in the whole world and what kind of technology and applications are coming on.